Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be going over the ski resort of Sattel Hochstuckli. I've previously made a video here in the summertime when I did the walking path. I'll put the link above. The gondola is located about a half hour from Zug by car. It's between an hour and a half by train or bus from Zug, Zurich, and Lucerne. On the day I went, I joined a group from Allen's Events. If you don't know about Allen's Events, I recommend checking them out. In the summertime, they have events going from whitewater rafting, go-karting, to eating out in a nice restaurant, wine tasting, escape room, a lot of different activities. Definitely check them out. We arrived around 9 a.m. and you can see the line was not too bad. But here, when I came down around 11:30, the line wrapped around the building. Only about 1 or 2 gondolas, which carry 5 people, go up a minute. So you can imagine that a line this long would take a half hour or so to get through. Once you're up top, magnificent views. After you see the drone video of the top of the mountain, I'll explain some of the other things I've noticed. So I saw 2 different areas of ski slopes. It wasn't too crowded, but again, it's also during COVID, so this may get a lot busier. Up top, there's also a ski school. I noticed it was mostly for kids, but I assume even us adults could probably get lessons. There were a couple restaurants up top, but the best part for me was just the walking paths. Beautiful scenery. I hope you enjoy this video, If you have a chance, definitely visit Sattel. Please like and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be posting more videos of my adventures around Europe. Thank you.